If Albert locked your account for suspicious activity, the lock is usually automatic and designed to protect your account until your identity or recent activity can be verified. By the end of this video, you'll know why this happens, what you can do to remove the lock, and what actions to avoid while waiting for a response. The first thing to do is stop attempting repeated logins. Multiple failed sign-in attempts in a short period can keep triggering Albert's security system and may delay access. Next, check whether you're using the same device and internet connection you normally use. Signing in from a new phone, using a VPN, or switching between multiple networks can cause security systems to flag unusual activity. If you recently changed your phone number, email address, or password, complete any verification prompts the app displays. Albert may require additional confirmation before restoring full account access. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Albert app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Older app versions can sometimes fail security checks or display outdated error messages. If the app won't let you continue, don't create a second Albert account. Multiple accounts can create additional verification issues and make resolving the original account more difficult. You should also review your email inbox, including your spam or junk folder, for messages from Albert. If the security system requested identity verification, you'll usually find instructions there. If no verification option appears, contact Albert support through the official support channels. Explain that your account is locked for suspicious activity and include your registered email address, the device you're using, your phone model, and a screenshot of the error if possible. Providing complete information helps the support team investigate your case more quickly. While waiting for a response, avoid uninstalling and reinstalling the app repeatedly or attempting to log in from several different devices. Those actions generally don't remove a security lock and may generate additional security alerts. If your account becomes accessible again, review your recent account activity and update your password. If you suspect someone else may have attempted to access your account, using a strong, unique password helps reduce future security issues. To recap, stop repeated login attempts, use your usual device and network, complete any verification requests, update the app, avoid creating another account, and contact Albert support if the lock doesn't clear. If this guide helped you get back into your Albert account, leave a like, subscribe for more Albert troubleshooting videos, and check out our other app fix tutorials.